Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you are happy and doing great. So today's date comes from Bukhari, volume number 1, chapter Kitabul Iman, and the topic of this is the reward of good deeds and bad deeds, the recording of good deeds and bad deeds. Let's start. In this hadith, Allah's Messenger said, if any one of you improve, follow strictly his Islamic religion, then his good deeds will be recorded, will be rewarded 10 times to 700 times for each good deed, and a bad deed will be recorded as it is. So this hadith emphasizes the importance of following Islamic religion, Islamic teaching, and performing good deeds. It states that if any Muslim think about to do good deeds and perform good action, if they think about to perform prayer 5 times in a day, if they think about to perform tahajjud, if any Muslim think about to help out someone, if any Muslim read out Holy Quran, think about to perform tahajjud, think about to read out Holy Quran. In this way, then good deed will be rewarded multiple times, 10 to 700 times, and bad deed will be recorded as it is without multiplication. If any Muslim think about to do bad deed, any bad action, and they perform, and he perform any bad action, so his bad deed will be recorded without multiplication. So this is the generosity of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This hadith emphasizes the importance of generosity and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala toward Muslim and encouraging believers to strive for righteous and good action. So this hadith means that if you follow Islam sincerely, if you think about to do good action, good deeds, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you 10 to 700 times. But if you do something bad, it will be counted as just one bad deed. So this is the generosity of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So all of you learned something from this hadith, and all of you have to try to do good deeds. All of you have to come forward to help out someone who is needy around you. In this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be happy. All of you be ready to perform prayer 5 times in a day. All of you be ready to perform tahajjud. All of you have to recite Holy Quran with translation. In this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be happy and He will reward you 10 to 700 times, and bad deed will be counted as just one bad deed. So this is written recording of the good deed and bad deeds, and all of you have to follow good deeds. All of you have to be ready to perform good deeds. In this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be happy with you people. So I'm repeating again, if you do good deeds, if you think about to do good deeds, and if you perform good deeds, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you 10 to 700 times. And if you think about to do bad deeds, then it will be counted as just one bad deeds. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.